And in this video, I show you 3 winning products that if you start selling this summer, you can hit your first $1,000 or even $2,000 day right away. Let's go. What up, you guys? It's your boy Alvin, back with another video. If this is your first time on the channel and you're looking for course level content without ever having actually paid for a course, then I got you. I'm your guy. All I ask is you please consider giving me a like, a comment, subscribe. Hit that bell notification so you don't ever miss a thing. In this video, I'm also going to do another giveaway. I'm going to be giving away a free consulting call to one of you. So make sure you stay to the end of the video to figure out how you can actually enter in that call. I'll go over your store, Facebook ads, product research, whatever it is you want from me. I will sit with you as long as you need me to. But just make sure you stay till the end so you can figure out how you can actually enter that. And yeah, that's it. Let's get into the video. All right, you guys. So here we are in the computer. And as the video title states, the 3 products that I advise to sell for the summer. Yeah, let's get right into it. This first one is the one I found. It's similar to the ones I've been kind of seeing, but as you watch the video, it obviously has something to do with toenail fungus, which is, first off, let me tell you kind of why I think that's great for the summer. Obviously, it goes without saying that in the summertime people wear more sandals. They show off their feet more than they would in any other month. So, who wants crusty looking feet in the summer? So, a product like this is it's good for any time, I think, in general, because it's a health related product, but especially more so in the summer when people are more conscious about how their appearances look and they're showing off more. So this product is a toenail fungus something. I've already seen the product. It's a toenail fungus cream, but as you can see, it's a very long video. It's almost 2 minutes long, and it's talking about shit that doesn't even matter. Fungus thrives where it is overpopulated. None of this shit matters. People want the solution for one reason, right? They want their feet to look better. So for me, in general, I have busted up feet a little bit too from playing basketball all the time. So for me, a product like this, I just want to see a before and after. All I want to see is, does the cream work, or what? Does the cream work? And what does it look like afterwards? Is it going to look like a normal looking toe? That's it. So these people, they take in, look. I don't even know when this. They show the cream for the first time a minute in, right? And if you guys have ever seen my videos before, you know that I say, and not just me, you got to cook your brew in the first 3 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds, right? People do not come on Facebook to buy. They come to be entertained, talk with their friends, see what's going on the timeline. They don't come to buy. You have a chance to convert them to buy if you have a good enough video and a good enough product, but this is taking way too long to get into the point, and this is a good product, especially now because it solves a real problem. So this is the first product I would definitely recommend. The way I would do it is I would definitely speed up the video. I would go much faster in terms of getting it to. Hold on. I would go much faster in terms of getting straight to the point. I would say something like I try to hit on there kind of the factor about feeling insecure in the summertime, you're gonna be wearing sandals all summer. You really want your feet looking like this. It's kind of a little gross to show the feet, but it definitely adds to the factor if you can find a good video on YouTube showing maybe some crusty ass feet, something like that, and then go right to the point of what the cream does, how it works, how quickly it's gonna give them a solution. That's it. They do obviously a good job showing how the cream works in this part of the video, just showing it kind of evaporating away basically. So that's definitely something I would do, but get into way faster, right? And they have been advertising for about almost a month now, June 16th, 260 shares, which is solid. It definitely shows that there's potential for this product. People like this product, but I really believe that they're missing a lot of people. They're leaving a lot of money on the table because they're taking way too long to get into what the actual product does. So if you want to start selling this product, you definitely should. I found it on Aliexpress. Only a couple dollars. Hopefully it loads. It's probably one of these. $1, $2. Super simple. Super simple product. Start selling it immediately. You can take the money from them. Just follow kind of what I said in terms of the guidelines. So that's the first product. Not much to it. Let's go to the next product. It is this cat water fountain. I've seen this product before, but it seems like it's selling again because it is summertime. But it has 430 shares, about almost 500,000 views, about June 20th, so a few weeks already. This is a product that I think that obviously would do really well in the summertime, but you got to go from a different angle, right? First off, the people are already kind of saying my cats love this, bought one for my cats. So This product's been out on the market for a little bit, so it needs a new angle, right? Just going out and just trying to advertise the same cat water fountain is not going to work, just based on what I see from the feedback here. You definitely need to find a different angle for it. So what's a pain point that we can kind of hit? Summertime, people are really passionate about their pets, and with this, here's the angle that I would take with something like this, right? I would talk about how, summertime cats are more at risk for dehydration and heat stroke or some shit like that. Like, really try to hit a fear factor in them of like, look, without this product, your cat is at much more risk of some emergency situations, right? And then I would say this is why you need it, because it allows them to automatically drink water. When you're not at home, maybe you're at work or whatever. I would say something like this. This allows them to get water, all the time throughout the day. So they're never, dehydrated, never thirsting for more water. So that's how the angle I get it. You have to go the new angle for this product because it is something that's kind of been out there for a little bit, but there is potential for it, obviously, because in a few weeks it has a couple hundred shares, almost 500,000 views. So they're pushing this product. Obviously, they're doing some numbers with it for sure. With a good angle, I think you can actually blow them out of the water. So that is the second product, cat water fountain, a second summer product, for obvious reasons. And the third product is this. This is actually, I think, the most promising product of the three I've seen so far. Let me tell you why. June 20th, so a few weeks as well, almost 1,500 shares, which is crazy. Because when you see this product, if you're like me, when you see this product, you're not going to be amazed at all. You're going to be actually wondering how the hell this shit is selling. It's literally just a water dispenser. I guess it's kind of cool, but like 1,500 shares, cool. I don't know if it's that cool. But regardless, good summer product. The reason I say that is because the copy that they're using and they're generating all the shares with is good for our family camping trip. No longer need to turn the bottle over to get in the water dispenser. First off, that's not proper English, so obviously there's room for writing a copy, right? Something more simple to the point. And like I say, guys, in every single video, you have to find somewhere where you can improve upon. This is something I preach in my channel. I always say, like, find some area of improvement. Obviously, right in the first two lines we found with this copy, you can change. With this copy, there's obviously room for improvement because it's not even, kind of structured properly. And if you read the comments here, I like it, I want to buy it. Christine, she's from U.S. for sure. Janesville High School. I like it, need to order. Dawn, she's from America somewhere, Seneca. Got mine using every day. Dave, Phoenix College, so America as well. So let's see the video real quick. Obviously they're taking a little bit, they're showing the problem. Cool. Obviously get to the point, right? Yeah, I mean, I guess it's a kind of a cool product. So with this, 1,500 shares, 100,000 views, and let me show you where I find the improvement, right? Because like I say, every single video, you have to find somewhere you can improve. Obviously the video in here is pretty solid. I understand why it's working, but we know, one, the copy sucks, and two, look at this product page. It is terrible. It looks like a 5th grader's art project. If this is yours, I'm sorry, but you gotta do better. Different colors everywhere, good news. Like, have you ever seen this on like a Macy's website or like any other e-commerce, like JCPenney, anything like that? Just color palettes are all out of whack, like so many pictures everywhere. It looks, like I said, like a 5th grader's art project. So right away, if you come in, sell the same product, clean up the product page, make it more professional looking, less spammy looking, because in reality this looks spammy looking to me. Fix up the copy. I think you have something here, right? And this is selling right now. This one's selling right now, June 20th. It's only a few weeks ago. They're obviously targeting campers, which I didn't understand why this would work for campers, but maybe if you camp, you would understand this. Maybe it's a big pain point for you. Yeah, I'm brown. We don't really camp like that. So, but I mean, if you can't and you probably understand why this would work for you, then yeah. But I don't know why this is exactly working for campers, but obviously it is, right? 1,500 shares. That's no joke. So start selling this product. Fix this copy. Do a better product page. Look at the title, buy 2 free shipping. Like, that's not even proper English. You can do better than this. This is a product for the taking. Implement this right away, and I think you guys can actually hit. With these 3 products, I think you can start hitting your first $1,000, $2,000 a day. I mean it. Alright, you guys, so as promised, giveaway time. Here's how you can actually enter. So like I said, I will be giving away a free consulting call to one of you, where we talk about whatever you want, Facebook ads, market research. You want me to go over your store, I got you. Whatever it is you need from me, I will be there for you. I will sit with you as long as you need me to. But to actually enter that video, to enter that competition, all I ask is you comment down below. Comment and let me know what you're struggling with when it comes to drop shipping and what kind of videos you want to see. Whether that's product research, Facebook ads, testing, scaling, whatever it is. Comment down below and let me know. And yeah, that's how you can actually enter. You must also be, make sure you subscribe and like the video as well. So if you subscribe, like, and comment down, you'll be entered to win that consulting call with me. Alright, you guys, that's the end of the video. If you stayed this long, I really, really do appreciate you. If you got some value out of it, please consider giving me a like, a comment, subscribe. As well as, if you want to see more videos by me, I actually made this mini course, it's kind of a Facebook beginning to, or it's not even Facebook, Shopify beginning to advanced mastery kind of section. So click up here to watch that. Or if you want to see another video by me, click up here. It's either here or here, I don't know. But click on that and watch that. And thank you guys for watching again. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.